Welcome. If you want to create folders on a home screen in your DOOGEE S70, at the first you have to click and hold one of the icons, for example this one, and then drag it for another icon. As you can see right now, here we have our folder. When we tap on it once, we can open that folder. When we click here, we can rename. Click on this marker to confirm. Click outside to close that folder. When you click and hold it for a few seconds, you can move it between screens. If you want to get rid of that folder, click hold and then drag it here. And after that, all apps will appear in the draw menu. So to put them back, click hold and then put them on the screen. So as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.